Let's see how good of a programmer you are. We'll take 2 to the 56 equals 2 to the 56 plus 1. And what? True? True? How? Impossible! No!
It's not true! That's impossible!
What the devil is going on here? Those numbers are clearly distinct. 2 to the 56 and 2 to the 56 plus 1? Why is the computer telling us those are the same number? 2 to the 56 is equal to this large mess, and 2 to the 56 plus 1, yes, equally large mess, but it is definitely 1 digit different. What is going on? Well, if you know the answer, then I want you to comment below that you are a genius and give me a thumbs up because you know what is going on. And if you don't know what's going on, well, guess what? You have some homework to do. You need to figure out why this is saying that it's true when clearly we know that they're not. Thank you for watching.